your operating system, smartphone with iOS 8.0 or higher, and Android 5.0 or higher. Its special features: it has Bluetooth calling, messaging, health monitoring, fitness tracker, stopwatch, alarm clock, find phone, sedentary reminder, music control, weather, do not disturb mode, brightness adjustment, camera control, AI voice assistant, more sports modes, IP68 waterproof, more watch face replacement, Bluetooth calling, messaging, health monitoring, fitness tracker, stopwatch, alarm clock, find phone, sedentary reminder, music control, weather, do not disturb mode, brightness adjustment, camera control. Its capacity is 3.5 times 10 to the power of 2 milliamp hour, Bluetooth connectivity. Technology: Bluetooth wireless, communication, standard battery, cell composition, lithium polymer, GPS via smartphone, shape square, screen, size 2.01 inches, brand Lidiapo, the upgraded 2.01-inch HD smartwatch for men and women, more than 100 different styles of dials to download and replace. Also, it supports custom dials with photos. Make, receive calls and message reminders. This smartwatch can be used to receive calls, add contacts, and view call logs. Support messages and social media notifications: Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, etc. 100+ sports modes and health monitoring. The smartwatch is IP68 waterproof and supports 100+ sports modes: walking, running, cycling, skating, yoga, etc. Tracking daily activity data, such as calories, distance, steps, and heart rate. It can also be used to monitor blood oxygen, heart rate, stress, and sleep data, and use it to set water drinking reminders, sedentary reminders, and help you do breathing exercises. It has more functions. This smartwatch provides more practical functions, including AI voice assistant, weather display, music control, camera control, calculator, find mobile phone, alarm clock, timer, stopwatch, view calendar, brightness adjustment, volume adjustment, language settings, do not disturb mode, etc. Large battery capacity and wide compatibility. The smartwatch is equipped with a large capacity battery, allowing you to use it for a long time without worrying about power. Compatible with iPhone iOS 8.0 and above, and Android 5.0 and above. Subscribe, join, discover, share. Save money, find the product you need, have fun, and make the best decisions. Simple and direct. Fast shipping from Amazon. Amazonia Express is your trusted channel.